In this video training tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and use the HTML ads. So all you do is you click on the HTML ads link and you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and I'll slide it over so you can see what I'm looking at and move the screen like so. Alright, let me go down to this one. You'll probably have, you may or may not have multiple HTML ads available to you. Shows you the target URL, which in this demonstration is Google. Obviously this is going to be your merchant's website, not Google. And you can view the HTML ad. Now notice that this one's called product comparison. This is one that I created for this demonstration. So let's click on this link and see what comes up. I'll slide this over. And even though it has generic information in here, you can see that this would be a product comparison between your merchant and the competitor. This is something that your merchant, in this demonstration, this is something that I, the merchant, prepared for the affiliate. So, and there's an affiliate link right here, and you can hover over that, and it's going to be your affiliate link. So what we want to do is we want to add this product comparison to our website. So let me show you how you do that. It's very simple. Now, in these demonstrations, I'm showing you two ways to do it. One is with a blog, one is with your just uploading the HTML code. So I'll show you both methods right now. What you want to do is right-click and choose Select All. Right-click again and choose Copy. And let's just go to the blog first. Okay, so here we go. Here's our blog. Let's write a new page. I should call it a post, because in WordPress terminology, it's a post. All right, so I'm writing a post, and I will call this product comparison. Now, you've heard me say this before, but it bears repeating. Ideally, what you would do is you would call it something more specific than product comparison. You would ideally like to get some of your keywords into this link here, the title of the page. So for example, if you're promoting something about dog training, then you might write something like comparison of dog training websites. All right, now what I want to do is I want to move away from the visual WYSIWYG. WYSIWYG stands for what you see is what you get, and click on HTML. And then I right click in the box and I choose paste. And I can flip back over to visual, and that looks good. Now what I want to do is click on publish. Okay, it says the posts have been saved, so let's go ahead and view the post. So there we go. We have a comparison of dog training websites. Now the HTML has this border around it, but let's say I wanted to get rid of the border. How would we do that? This requires a little bit of HTML knowledge, but not much. So I'll click on Manage, and I go to the one that I just created, and I'll click on the title. And I want to go again into the HTML, and I'm looking for something that that talks about a border. Well, look, right here it says, actually that one says border equals 0, but here it says border 1 pixel solid, yada yada yada. So what I want to do is I want to erase this part about the border, and now we will save it. So let's click on view this post, and there you go. And someone can look at the comparison, see, oh, this person is obviously better than the competitor, so I'll click the link to order. So this is just an example of how you can use the HTML. So let's go ahead and do the same thing with the HTML for just straight up HTML. So I'll open up a file that we've been using. Click on Edit with Notepad++. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to scroll down to where I've got my content. Okay, so here's where my content is. So let's change this. I'll say here is a product comparison, and I'll just right click and paste. That's the table that I just pasted in, and I'll do File, Save. And now I'll go to FileZilla, my FTP software, and I'm going to click, drag, and drop. Here we go. Click, drag, and drop. And that uploaded, so let's go. Okay, here's a test site, so it should appear right here. I'll hit refresh, 1, 2, 3, and there you go. You have a product comparison. So whether you're doing flat HTML, just regular static HTML pages, or you're using a blog, using the HTML ads makes it very easy for you to add some great content to your website and just by copying and pasting and uploading.